Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change time Honda CRV 2008 full guide. Press the ignition to accessory mode and ensure the radio is on. Press and hold the H button to advance hours and tap for single increments. Press and hold the M button to advance minutes and tap for single increments. Review the display until time reads correctly and cycle ignition off then on to confirm the setting. In this video, I will show how to change time Honda CRV 2008 full guide. Identify whether your dash shows AM/PM or military time and decide which you prefer. Use short taps on H and M for accurate syncing and long presses to move quickly through many hours. If battery was disconnected, recheck clock after a short drive to ensure settings held. Keep a phone nearby to match exact time. In this video, I will show how to change time Honda CRV 2008 full guide. Quick recommendation. I picked up some leak-proof containers that made my car lunches spill-free and saved cleanup time when working on the CRV. They seal tightly and stack nicely in the glove box or trunk for long trips. If you want them, check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to change time Honda CRV 2008 full guide. If the clock will not set, check the radio fuse and battery connections first. Try a soft reset by cycling ignition and power to the radio, then repeat the H and M steps. If the issue persists, consult the owner manual or a service center for internal clock module faults and follow guided diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.